Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 24 Property Management System in Laravel 10. This my official website is www.errorsolutioncode.com. This my channel Error Solution and this Error Solution code this my channel name. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This 23 video already uploaded. This video is 24 start. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi. Let's close this and working this localhost PSP my admin good, and this database name is a property, and this project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder inside this available property, and this project is already open this my Sublime text editor, and this project is run localhost property successfully working. Let's click this user and admin@gmail.com copy and paste here. Password is 123456 and click this. Successfully login. Let's click this vendor type. Vendor type is a different. Let's check this vendor type. This available vendor type. Click this vendor type. This update. This 3 value is a update. Let's first is a edit. Insert this available company. First company. Second individual. Third employee. Third is an employee. Successfully update. This 3 type is a update. Company, individual and employee. Let's refresh this page. Successfully update. Let's vendor list. Click this. Inside this available add vendor. Add vendor is available. Let's step by step this hide and show this company name and employee ID inside this hide and show. Individual means type only. Let's hide and show. Let's copy this URL route inside this available web.php file is open. This is available. This vendor controller open inside this available this function. Vendor controller inside this function is available. Find this function. This function is available. Let's admin vendor add blade PSP. Resource view admin vendor add blade PSP. This file is available. Inside this available add vendor type. This vendor type is available. This vendor type. Let's first of all this new variable is a create. Variable name is a vendor. This new variable is a create. Select id. Select company hide and show. This company hide and show inside this variable is a create. Let's copy this name. This id select inside this id copy and inside this paste here. Let's create this yield layout inside this app.php open inside new yield script copy. Same name is a copy inside this paste, and this name is a script paste here. Paste here, save file. Let's add this open inside this dollar section. Same name is a copy. The same name is a copy and paste here section and section and this section and script copy same cut this dollar has save file on change change function lat and AAFFF and save file. Let's refresh this page. Let's check this alert is a show, otherwise not show. Let's click this, not a show alert. Let's not show a alert. Change on ID means has ID on change. This alert not show. This cut, otherwise this cut. Inside this paste here, paste, refresh this page and click this. This not working. Please wait. Let's chat jQuery file. This jQuery file is set. This alert is not available. This alert. Let's refresh this page. This alert is not available. Refresh this page. Not available. This jQuery file says save. Successfully save file. And this not available. This not available. This new file is add. Inside this new file is add. Not a change. Add is it. This new file is add. jQuery WC school open and jQuery get started. Copy this, click this link, and this URL is available. Please write in this URL. Copy this link and paste here save file. Please paste here save file. Let's refresh this page. Inside this available this show box. Successfully this available. This FFF, this add. Good. This file is include. Let's cut this. Inside this cut and as it is paste here. Save file. Refresh this page. Two file is a save and click this individual good working. This good working. Let's remove this and hide and show start. First of all, if this value, this dot value is equal to 1, 1 means company type. This 1 means company means 1. Let's this check. This company means 1 is equal to available. This show is the only company. Employee to means employee, individual to not a show only individual. Good. Let's value, and this value is available inside this one inside. Let's check this one inside this available. This forest loop inside this value available. This open, this copy, MCM is a paste here this variable. Dollar has show div. Let's show div. Successfully show this div. Let's copy this name and div show and this company name. This company name is a div show. Display style, display none. Save file, display none. Refresh this page. This is a hide. The display company name is a hide. Same is a this display is a none. This category display none. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully company ID. This is only available. Let's company is a add in this display. Just show this box. Let's ID is equal to and paste here this div is a show company inside this show. Let's refresh this page. Click this individual, employee not show, individual not show, and company is a show. Good working. Let's check this remove. This not working. Let's remove inside this employee, inside this remove. Let's remove and this div. Same is a div is a false. Copy this name inside this id is a paste. This employee id paste here, save file. This is a hide. Let's refresh this page. Let's company is a show, individual this is a employee is a hide. This company is a show. Else part, else if this dot value is equal to 3. 3 means is available, 3 means this employee. Same name is a different is a add. Please writing this code. And last else part is a add else. Let's add this div. Successfully set. This story is a set. Let's refresh this page, and this all is a add. Let's vendor type is add. Employee id is a show. This individual this is a all hide, and company is a automatically company is a show. Good. This show in this hide, and this not a select, and this not select. Employee id this employee show, individual only individual, and a company is a company show. Good working. This fine. First of all, this create on side, this create this div, this hide div, and this div is a show div. This inside this add, and this query file is a include. Only this include, not the other include, only single include. Good. Let's insert this data. This data is a user table. Click this user table. Inside this record is available. This 10 record is available. Let's new record is a create. First name is a access decode. Email is a, as it is email gmail.com. This dummy data. Mobile number as it is add. Profile picture is a add. Individual. Let's company's employee id is add. Employee id this add. Category this category add. Active, and this is an yes. Please wait inside submit data. Successfully record is a submit. Let's refresh this page. This time out successfully record is a create. This record is a create. This for employee ID is not create. Let's check this employee ID is not create. Why not a create? This display is a hidden. Let's again this login admin and add vendor list. Click this, and this employee ID is not a create. ID is a include, but ID is not a create. This employee ID, let's copy this URL in this store vendor, open this vendor controller, inside this employee ID, this company name, let's same name is a different name, is just my mistake, this my mistake. Let's refresh this page. Again this add, this fill up data automatically, and this mobile number is a add, any mobile number is a add, this mobile number, and this add this girls, employee ID is add, this employee ID add, and this yes. Successfully created, and this employee ID is successfully created, good working, this employee ID. Let's refresh this page. And this employee ID is successfully created, good. Let's next is a add new, fill up this data, this remove extra, and this image is a select. Let's company name is a error, and this add, successfully set company name is this name, employee this name, good working. Individual, this only individual, this individual, not a set, this is a older record, not a new record, this new record, individual only individual. Let's again this new record is a create only individual, not a extra, this individual only add. Let's submit. Successfully individual only add, this 2 is a blank. Successfully chat, this video is a done. Please check this all successfully chat, this my mistake, this employee ID. Let's next again. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.